Incorporating cabinet lights is a simple yet effective way to elevate our living spaces. Not only does it serve their purpose, but also adds a vibrant touch to home decor as well. And recently, we just got our hands on the smart Ambience puck lights, and it's packed with some pretty cool features. We are pretty excited to try it out, so let's just take it out of the box right away. As we unbox it, first up we've got these 4 well-rounded thin lights. These lights already have attached pin connectors to them, and then there is a remote controller with a bunch of buttons. So we can pretty much assume that this cabinet light is going to have tons of customization options. And then we have some additional accessories which come in 2 separate boxes. As we pick up the first one at the top, everything inside the box is clearly written here: a controller with pin connectors, an alcohol pad, some adhesive pads for both controllers and lights, cable buckles, and a few screws as well. The other box right here includes the power adapter, and last but not least, we've got the instruction manual, which we won't be needing as we will guide you through the step-by-step process anyway. Let's begin with setting up the lights first. After carefully peeling off the adhesive tape, let's put it on the back of these lights. Now, we gently attached it to the light right underneath the cabinets. However, if you wish, you can also use the screws if that's convenient for you. Next, we're going to connect the cables to the pin connectors on the controller, including the power adapter. Initially, the cables were very messy, but thanks to these additional clamps, our cable management has become much easier. Now let's power it up by plugging in the power adapter on the socket, and there we have it folks, our smart Ambience puck lights looking bright and breezy. Since it comes with Wi-Fi compatibility, we've downloaded the dedicated Do Tint app and paired it with our smartphone by scanning the QR code on the instruction manual. As we turned on the Wi-Fi app control, we found plenty of different light adjustments such as group control, schedule lighting, and color changing modes. But what made this puck light even more interesting is the music sync mode. Just take a look at how beautiful it turned out in our testing while we play music. It was a sight to behold, and it gave our studio a seriously vibrant atmosphere. While toggling through each preset, it gave us a crystal clear view of the entire area, making sure we could see everything perfectly. We also found out that this LED light can be controlled through voice commands, so we decided to pair it with our Echo Dot, and these are the few steps that we followed. First, we opened the Alexa app and pressed the More option. Then we selected Skills and Games and searched the keyword Smart Life. After choosing one of the following options, we pressed Enable to Use, and now we logged in using the account and password that we used in the Do Tint app. After authorizing it, the account got linked successfully, and when we press Discover New Devices, it automatically finishes the pairing process. And now we can easily control the light using voice commands such as turning it on, off, or different preset settings. Let's see it in action. Alexa, turn on the lights. Alexa, turn on the music sync mode. As we can see, it responds quite nicely just as we command. Additionally, the dedicated remote inside the box appeared to be very convenient for manual control. The first 2 buttons are for the brightness adjustments, which offer up to 8 levels of brightness. Then comes the sleep button, dimming the lights to orange and automatically shutting off the lights after half an hour. Additionally, there are 16 commonly used static color buttons, including 6 levels of cool and warm color temp keys. Simply put, you'll find more or less every settings that includes in the app. Other than just a studio cabinet, we also set it up in our living room and TV shelves. It definitely formed a perfect ambience at night while we were watching TV and relaxing on our couch. So yes, other than just cabinets, this puck light can be put in several different places as well if you want to add a touch of ambience to your smart home. In addition, here's a non-RGB one with adjustable color temperatures between 2000 to 7000 K for use as you like. By contrast, the RGB version is more suitable for creating an atmosphere of colored light and cool scenes, and while the light version can provide higher brightness, which is more suitable for the lighting needs under the cabinet. MyPlus definitely did an amazing job by giving us a clear vision of our studio wardrobe, but we are also looking forward to using it in other spots such as the kitchen, underneath the desk, and closets. As of now, serving as an under-cabinet puck light, it's undeniably fulfilling its purpose effectively. So that was all about the smart Ambience puck lights. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.